YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Cutz back with another video. And yeah, man, I know it's been a long time since the last video I dropped. A lot been going on. I've just been busy, but I ain't a person that make a lot of excuses. So I'll definitely be more consistent from here on out, and you guys will see more videos from me. But this video right here, we got a low drop fade, and I really like the results. I feel like it came out real blurry. My client felt like it came out real blurry. I'm gonna drop some good gems for y'all, and hopefully y'all take something away from this, man. And I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much longer. So let's get right into the video. So with this haircut, with the top, what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave a little bit of length on it. So I put on my 2 guard with the lever all the way open, and I just went with the grain, and we decided to leave some length on the top. So that's basically all I'm gonna be doing in this clip. So now I'm starting with my bald guidelines, and one tip I want to give you guys about putting in your guidelines is when I set my guidelines, I'm gonna go ahead and start the video right here. If you can draw a line from where that bald guideline starts, and if you drew it horizontally to the ear, it would stop where the ear connects to the head. So basically, I know when I go on the right side of his head, I know exactly where to place my bald guideline and how low or how high I can go with it. So that gives you an even fade, and you can use that even with a taper or mid fades, any fade. Your bald guideline is very important because it sets the tone for your whole haircut. So I just wanted to give you guys that tip right there. So right now I'm taking my clippers. I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about 1/2 inch because the fade is going to be more compressed, or tighter I should say. So that means my guidelines are going to be 1/2 inches instead of full inches. So yeah, I just went lever open, dropped down halfway, and dropped all the way to the bottom line and knocked that bottom line out. So right here I'm following the exact same steps I did in the previous clip, but the only difference is I have a 1 guard on. Still got the lever all the way open. I'm going up about 1/2 inch, and I got the lever all the way open. Then I go down into the middle of the blend, and I have my lever in the middle. Then I drop all the way down. As you can see what I just did with my finger, I close the lever all the way, and I take out that bottom line. So right here I put on my 0 guard with the lever all the way closed, I believe, and I take out that last line that the 1 guard left behind. The 1 guard usually doesn't take out that line fully, so I usually have to put on the 0 guard, and the 0 guard handles that for me. So that's all I'm doing right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tap at that line one more time with the lever all the way open. But as you can see, I'm only using the corner of the clipper because I don't want to use the whole clipper. When you use the whole clipper, it takes off more hair. When you use the corner, it's kind of like you you thinning the hair. So that's basically what I'm doing right here, and I'm just tapping at that line.
Let's go.
In this clip, I got my 2 guard on, and I opened the lever, and I'm basically doing the exact same steps I did with the 1 guard and with the no guard lever all the way open. I'm going up about 1/2 inch with the lever all the way open. I'm gonna close it, drop down to the middle halfway, then close it all the way, knock that line out, and then in the next couple of clips, you guys will see me detailing, and I'll give you a couple tips about detailing in those clips. Yeah, so for these next couple of minutes in the video, I'm gonna be detailing the fade. So right now I got my 1.5 guard on, and I'm kind of going at that line at the 2 guard left. Now you see I got my 1 guard lever all the way open, and I'm going at that line. So I'm gonna just drop down lower and lower in the fade, and I'm gonna follow that that pattern with my guards as well. So I started with the 2, and I went down to the 1.5, then the 1. Now I got the 0 on. Then you guys will see me with no guard on, just detailing the fade, which is honestly the most important part of the fade, because you're not gonna catch everything your first time around. So when you detail it, that's when you catch your minor mistakes, and that's what really bring the fade all together. But yeah, right here I'm just doing some clip over comb. I'm getting those flyaway hairs that's on the top of the fade, and yeah, clip over comb helps the fade look even more blended out, because it takes away those flyaway hairs, and it just gives you a cleaner cut. But yeah, in this clip I'm gonna just let it run through and let you guys watch, and just take down some notes, and I'll be back later on in the shape up. Yeah, so right here, all I'm doing is I'm taking my trimmers and I'm going over the hairs, getting those flyaway hairs that's on the top of the head, giving the cut just a overall cleaner look. And right here, I'm trimming the hairline down for a sharper lineup, and I got my 1.5 guard on with the lever all the way open. Just freezing the hairs with some hairspray right here. Yeah, so as far as the hairline, if you guys look in the middle of my client's head, he kind of has a widow's peak. So I'm going to start there. I'm going to plant my foundation in the middle of the head, and I'm going to take my trimmers as straight as possible and go across the whole forehead. And one tip I can give you guys when you're doing a shape up is you guys want to be right in front of your client, and you want to have a head-on look at your client's lineup. You don't want to be to the side, because then that can lead you to pushing one side higher or lower than the other. So that's one tip I can give you. Start in the middle, and maybe whatever hand you hold the clipper with, go to that side, and then you make your way back to the middle, and you go to the opposite side, and you do the same exact thing. Another thing, don't dig into their skin. What you're doing is really tapping at that line. You let the clippers do the work. You don't need to do any work. You just let the clippers do the work, and you have a straight lineup. But I just added the pencil, the white pencil, which is really just a preference thing. Not everybody gets it, but a lot of people like it because it lasts longer than a natural ash line. But it's really just a preference thing. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. You see me raising it, right here. You guys are gonna see me raise his hairline, and get that thing looking right. Guys, one thing you may not notice is while I'm razoring, I'm pulling the skin as I razor. That makes it a smoother shave, and also it prevents from cuts and things like that on your client. So when you guys are using a razor, remember that, because the razor is very sharp, and you don't want any mistakes happening with the razor. So just remember that. Yeah, guys, so this is the before right here. My client needed that fresh cut, and this is the after, man. That fade looking blurry, man. The lineup looking sharp. Yeah, man, it's a nice cut right here. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something. And be on the watch for a new video from Cutz. Other than that, we out.